So this is a really special song, and that's why I'm asking you to be quiet with me. It's a song written by Christine McVie called Songbird. And it's just a beautiful song about the bittersweetness of love and loss. And I'm going to ask you to join me in holding someone really special in your heart while I sing this song. And I'm going to hold my mom in my heart, because I love her and I miss her. You hold your someone special in your heart. We're going to hold space for that love together. It's got to be there.
What? Oh, there.
You needed to hear that.
Songbird.